that's not right.
Yeah.
Hello! Today we're here for an incredible experiment!
So we're going to show you all the secrets of a non-Newtonian fluid
and how to make it.
So what is a non-Newtonian fluid? A non-Newtonian fluid is basically a liquid, but we have the impression that it is between a solid and a liquid. If you are gentle with it, it is a liquid, but if you are rough with it, it is a solid.
So to make it, you will need
2/3 of maizena
and 1/3 of water. Now that we've got the ingredients,
we are going to show you the steps to make some non-Newtonian fluid.
Let's go! Here we go!
Yeah! So here we got maizena
And the water.
So we are going to put the maizena.
In our case, we have 600 grams of maizena. So we are going to put 300 grams of water.
So now we are going to do the most exciting part, the patouille.
The technique is dosing until you feel you have the right texture.
So we are going to dose little by little the water and malax with our hands. That's what I named patouille. And then, as Sacha said, when you feel that you have the exact texture, well, you have the exact texture.
So in the first time, we don't think we're gonna get the texture we want, but it will soon change.
God, it's working! Yay.
Well, it's not still the exact texture.
It's not what
but
we
it's
wanted, but
yeah,
it's starting.
It's
to work.
starting.
Oh, come on, put more.
I think we're gonna need to have a bit more
Yeah.
water.
You see, when like I tap on it, it gets sort of hard. But when like I let just my finger go into it like this, it gets liquid.
Oh,
So-
that's so dope. That's so dope.
okay.
Here you go.
So look, Ulysse, feel.
How does this happen? How is that even possible?
We are going to explain it right
After.
now.
A fluid is a gas or liquid, and it is called Newtonian if
The contraints, which are the resistant forces that you encounter when you try to move in it,
are linearly proportional with the speed in which you move. To make it simple, with Newtonian fluids like air or water,
if I move my hand in it at some speed,
I will feel a certain resistance, the constraint.
and if I move twice faster,
I will feel exactly twice as much opposing forces. But the non-Newtonian fluids don't respect this rule, because its viscosity will change compared to the speed of your movement. Two types of non-Newtonian fluids exist.
the shear tying fluid,
Their viscosity will decrease if we move faster.
for instance, ketchup.
If you press the bottle gently, it remains clogged and vicious.
But if you press harder, it will splash all over the place. The second type of fluid is the shear thickening fluid.
That we have here, whose viscosity will increase if you try to move faster. If you go slowly, it is not very viscous and you don't feel much constraints. But if you double the speed,
You're not just doubling the viscosity and the constraints.
they are multiplied by much more. And this is why you feel like it is solid and vicious.
When you wiggle your hand in it. So now we are going to do the tiny experiments. So this non-Newtonian fluid is so strong that even with hammer, water doesn't splash around. It's still hard. It doesn't break. It doesn't splash around. I think it is incredible. So we also noticed that when I had like maizena on my finger, and that I put my finger in the maizena in the bowl, it gets attracted by it. Wait, it gets.
You can't do it.
That's it.
It's fun because we can make little balls like this, but we have to let it in movement.
Always.
Because
if it falls, as you
Yeah.
see, look. Now I'm gonna make it fall. It will get liquid. You see? Up. But now I'm going to take it again. So you need to do a little ball, and you see how it is.
Make it fall again at the same spot. Yeah, see, it gets liquid.
But now I'm gonna take it, and then as you see, when you make it jump, and it like deforms a bit itself. And it's cool. So now it isn't really an experiment, it's just for fun. Let's go. You're such a weirdo.
Bruh.
So as you see, I'm very intelligent. I am going to put my hand in the non-Newtonian fluid, and Ulysse is gonna smash my hand with a hammer. Okay, let's go. Here.
Not yet.
First, a bit.
Crazy person.
A bit. No. Slowly. Yeah, a bit more. Yeah, more. Okay, so when maizena sticks to your hand and that you let it like for 10 minutes, it's so satisfying. It's so satisfying. It gets like a rock, like powder. So this was the video for the science video contest.
We hoped you liked it.
And bye! Oh, hey. I had to tell you something, but I don't remember what. What should I tell you? Oh, I know what you should tell them. You should tell them that it is time for the funny faces. No.
You blocked me on Facebook, and now you're going to die.